Welcome friends to Sheetal's World of Recipes. Today we are going to make modak. Let's see the ingredients for the modak. We need 2 cup rice flour, 1 cup fresh coconut finely shredded, half cup jaggery, also known as good, 1/4 teaspoon nutmeg powder, that is jaifar, 1/4 teaspoon cardamom powder, that is elchi or elaichi, 2 tablespoon ghee, pinch of salt, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 cup milk, and 1.5 cup water. You can also use water instead of milk, that is 2.5 cup water. Now first we will make stuffing for the modak. For that, take a pan, put it on the low flame, add coconut and 1 tablespoon ghee. Stir coconut on low flame for about 5 minutes. Now we will add jaggery. To melt jaggery faster, cut it into small pieces. Keep on stirring until jaggery melts. After, we will add nutmeg powder and cardamom powder. It enhances the flavor in the stuffing. Add 1/4 teaspoon nutmeg powder and 1/4 teaspoon cardamom powder. Stir for 1 minute and close the stove. Remove the stuffing in the bowl and let it cool down. Now to make dough, let's take a pan or pot. Pour 1.5 cup water and 1 cup milk. Add 1 tablespoon ghee, mix it well. Now we will add pinch of salt and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Bring it to rolling boil. Turn the flame to the low and now add 2 cups of rice flour and mix it quickly. It will turn into the lumpy mixture. Off the stove and cover it with lid for 5 minutes. Let the dough cool for 5 to 7 minutes only. Do not allow mixture to cool completely. Now knead the dough. Apply few drops of ghee on the palm and make 21 round balls. Take one ball and with the help of the thumb and fingers spread the dough in the circular motion. If you find it sticky, roll the ball into the rice flour and then start circular motion or apply ghee. Now place around 1.5 tablespoon of stuffing in the center. Bring all the sides together in the center and seal it. Remove the excess part from the top. Now with the help of the cooking brush, gently make impressions on the modak with the bottom side edge of the brush. In this way, do not press it very hard or you will break through the modak. You can see how I am making very gently but beautiful impression on the modak. You don't need any mold for this. Make all the modak accordingly. Now we will steam the modaks. Add water in the steamer and bring it to a boil on the medium-high flame. Now grease the tray. Here I have taken turmeric leaves, but if you don't have, then that's okay. We will steam modak for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, modaks are ready to serve. Friends, our tasty sweet modak are ready to serve. Here I have shown you how to make modak without using any mold. Still they turn out so beautiful. You can also deep fry this modak. For new and delicious recipes, subscribe to my channel Sheetal's World of Recipes. Like and share, and for the new notification, click on the bell icon. Thank you.